Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup reviews. And if it is the type of channel you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us to the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return support. I appreciate you guys a bunch. So in today's video, we're going to be trying and reviewing this new tinted moisturizer light revealer natural skin illuminator SPF 25 from Laura Mercier. You guys know that I'm a huge fan of Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. I do have other one of them that I use and have been some of my favorite for a long time. This one is the one that's oil free. I love this for the summer, you know, the hot days that my skin is normal, but sometimes it's really hot. I tend to get a little oily, so this is just perfect for that. To give you the hydration that you want and give you a nice little even coverage, and it doesn't have the heavy film foundation, and you don't have oily skin, so fabulous. And this other one here is the tinted moisturizer natural skin perfecto. This one is SPF 30, also is one of my favorite, and it's almost empty, if you can see here, because I use this one a lot. And now we have this new one here that is a natural illuminator. This one, the difference is this one actually have a little sparkle of pearl in that help to give that beautiful glow. So I'm super excited for keep using this product. This definitely is going to be one of my favorite now for spring and summer. Let's try this for you guys, see how it looks, because now I have it on, but I have my makeup finished. So and you guys want to see how it looks with only the tinted moisturizer on, without any of the other add-on of the makeup. You want to see how this perform? Keep watching. So we don't have nothing on my skin, so we're going to start trying on this tinted moisturizer light revealer. They say we use this with a primer, so I'm going to be using today for primer. My favorite primer is the Pure Canvas illuminating primer from Laura Mercier. So let's see how these two perform together. So I have my skin bare, I don't have nothing on my skin, so I'm gonna start adding a little bit of primer to my face. My skin is clean. So they say for you apply this with a sponge or with your fingers, the tinted moisturizer. So I'm going to apply the primer with my hands. I'm looking here because I'm looking on my mirror, sorry about that. So the skin is primed. Okay, so now we're ready for our tinted moisturizer. I'm going to get something to apply with. Okay, so I have my little sponge here, and then we're going to work with. So like I said, I might be looking on my mirror here, but I am talking to you there, so bear with me. So the coverage is very light, I would say. Very light. If you're somebody who has little imperfection in skin, you definitely wanna conceal spot, because it's very light, the coverage. But it is beautiful, very glowy. I like the coverage. So it feels really beautiful on the skin. The skin looks very luminous, but like I said, you need spot conceal if you have any. I have a little pimple going on here, so I'm going to spot conceal that, and I'm gonna add the rest of my makeup out of camera, and then I'll be right back with you guys so you can see how this look. I'm just going to do like a simple little eye, add a little bit of mascara, so I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, so I went back and I finished up my makeup, and that's what the tinted moisturizer look like when the whole makeup is done. So I did some little eye look, and I add some blush, a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of a kind of a spot, conceal a little bit the little place that I have, like I have a pimple somewhere here. But that's pretty much the finish of the tinted moisturizer. It's super lightweight, it's super see-through, I would say. This is definitely light coverage, just give you like the beautiful glow and even up your skin tone, but does not give you much coverage. But like it is a tinted moisturizer with a SPF. It's not a foundation, so it's not supposed to give you a medium to full coverage. It's just supposed to give you that beautiful glow and look like, you know, you put it together but without the heavy feeling of foundation. So this is perfect for spring and summer. That's my way to use this product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like the finish. You guys let me know in the comment below if you guys have any question about the tinted moisturizer, and I will answer the best I can. Thank you, Laura Mercier, for sending me this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and the link for Laura Mercier is going to be on the description of this video if you guys wanna decide to check them out or try them or any of the other product. I know the brand for many years. They are fabulous. It's by far one of my favorite brands out there. So yeah, I see you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.